Okay guys, so this is the guy who got my car fixed. It's MT Auto Services. It's in Stanton, Southern California, and they got my truck fixed again. I'm very happy, and I'll show you how it looks like inside. They gave me a used engine, but according to me and the owner of the shop, MT Automotive, according to him, it's 50,000 miles. So as you can see, it runs better than the old one. It doesn't have that noise, that knocking noise. As you can see here, it runs way better. It's quiet. You can hear the ticking of the valve, but that's normal. But this gentleman, the MIN Auto, or the MT Automotive Services, was recommended to me by my brother-in-law. He lives down here, and yeah, so he got it fixed, and we'll see what happens. He wants me to come. Hey YouTube, so this is the other guy coming to you tonight. Just letting you know, I just got home right now from Southern Cal. If you have been following me, about 3 weeks ago I took this truck down to Southern Cal and the engine blew again. And if you have been following me from the start, my original engine gobbled up water, hydrolocked, and so I bought a used engine for it from eBay, and that engine broke about 3 weeks ago while I was in Southern Cal. So I was really bummed about it. Anyway, I at the advice of my brother-in-law, he recommended a mechanic who owns a shop called MT Automotive Services. And he was able to order me a new engine, not a new one, but a used one. According to him, it has 50,000 miles on it. And he was able to install it in no time. As you can see, there's no rust in this engine. It's still shiny. The engine runs really nice and silky smooth. I think it's a California engine. And there's no rust on it. As you can see there, there's nothing, no rust indication on the exhaust manifold there. So yeah, I like the engine. The engine sounds really smooth. It drives like, well, the engine sounds like it was, like my truck was when it was really new. And I'll show you how. I'll show you how it sounds like. Okay, sorry that I had to do this video at night. I just got back from Southern Cal right now. As you can see, silky smooth. Okay, so I'm pretty happy, pretty stoked. Very powerful engine, more powerful than the one that died. And according to the mechanic, it was whatchamacallit, it had 50,000 miles on it. So it should be good. If it's true that this is a 50,000 mile engine, it should last me another 10 10 years, 10, 15 years. So yeah, that's that. I just want to let you know that all is well with my truck again. There's one thing the gentleman did. When he removed my engine, he removed both the engine and the transmission. And according to him, the transmission had a crack on the actuator, and he had it welded. Okay, and I'll show you here. Okay, so, and I'll show you the new actuator that he installed. That's the, where are you? Don't want to go underneath the car. That's the new actuator that he installed. According to him, there was a crack on it, on the bracket. And he installed it. Originally, when he installed it, he didn't. He welded it, the old actuator, and so he installed the actuator, the old actuator on, and it got locked into four-wheel drive, and it just died. I think the heat might have gotten to the sensors of the actuators. So he ended up replacing the actuator, the whole unit, for me, and so now everything's working fine. Other than that, I'm pretty stoked with it. The engine is pretty quiet. You can hear it hum. Okay, I really like it. So guys, I think I should be back in business now. Pretty stoked, pretty happy that my truck is well again. So anywho, let me know what your thoughts are. Oh, the guy, his name is Min, and he owns MT Automotive Services. Pretty nice guy. He texts, and he also he's very good at calling you back. He is located in Stanton, Southern California. I'll post a photo of his shop for you. If you live in Stanton, California, give him a call. He's a pretty cool guy. So anyway, I'm gonna make this video and I'm gonna send it to him. Well, thank you, man. You're a pretty cool guy. Thank you for everything.